Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, 15th of May 2018. So yesterday in the pound, a very narrow range, as you can see here, from the low to the high. We're probably talking about 70 or 80 points. Let's just have a quick look at this. Really quiet. 64 points for yesterday, and the one losing trade there as the market filled the order, but it sat on the DP and the previous day's close, turned around and just shot up to the high, the R1, and the psychological level there of 136 before breaking back below all of this resistance, which you can see here and here. You've got the red bars as well, the potential weakness, and then once we're through, we get a rebound, get that retracement, and then down we go there. In the daily chart, you'll see why the market is stuck in a sideways range at the moment for the pound, and the market struggling with the 76% as well through this at the moment. Downside 134.57 plus. If we go from here to, actually let's do it the other way around, we'll go just twice on that bar, there you go. We've got this level here as well, 134.97. watch out for this, as these areas here have not been broken at all. So what I'm going to do at the moment is just remove this so you can actually get a clearer picture and keep these areas in mind as well. And news today, let's have a look, see what we've got. We've got average earnings for the UK today, unemployment rate at 9.30. It's quite a lot out today, but nothing major. We've got retail sales as well for the US, they're not out until 1:30, and then nothing else really. So there's 3 high impact news items, that's all there is today for the market. The Dow yesterday, one of the quietest days we've had in a long time. Again, the market finding support in the pre-market session, sideways to lower once we broke back above the 20 bar average, sitting on the R1 and the psychological level of 24,900. The market moving to the upside, trading to the R2 of the pivot, so you can see staying above the 20 bar average, not too dissimilar to what the pound did here actually, and then back down, same price action there, same price pattern. In the daily chart, you can see they're very quiet. Market trading to 24,983, the fib 76%, and coming off there, and we'll just remove this, and also breaking that very sharp uptrend there, which will redraw once we get a bit of support, if the market doesn't just sail on down here, but if it pulls back and then leaves a new point behind to move higher, then we'll redraw this. But at the moment, the market struggling with that 24,983. First downside, if it's going to stop, I would go off this low to this high, and suspect that this is going to be one of those areas of support as well for this market. So again, not a lot happening there either, and it's Tuesday today, which is traditionally quiet. Yesterday in Bitcoin, the market just doing what it did on Saturday, just shooting straight up after trading sideways. It was trading between the two pivots here. Just look at this on the 30-minute, you can see it just spent the whole morning just trading up and down inside of these pivots before the market then blasted out and then became really quite sideways again, and has been on the overnight as well. So again, it's no surprising actually. Bitcoin seems to have developed this pattern at the moment where it's really quiet, and then you get these big spikes to the upside or to the downside. It's all of a sudden one of the big players comes in. I mean, you can see it here. It's just a very strange behavior at the moment, apart from a couple of weeks ago where we got a bit of a trend going. But at the moment, really strange sort of action here, which is consistent, as I say, with just one big player coming in and moving the market. That's really characteristic of that. And in the daily chart, you can see there that the market is sideways to higher. It's got to take out 8800 in order to continue to move higher. And also, if we do this, we'll see that we've got an uptrend, a downtrend that needs to be taken out as well. And I'm keeping this one in this trend line in as well, because it'll be interesting to see what happens. We've got the 20 bar in the way as well. But at the moment, we've got the downtrend where it could potentially be broken with prices blasting through. If not, we'll be coming back down to this area before we blast through. And that's it for today. There's not a lot to report. Dow quiet, pound quiet. It is May, as they say, selling may go away. So maybe that's what's happening here at the moment. But as a very quiet for yesterday, which we're not used to because it's been quite volatile for some time and had just nice momentum in the intraday market. Right, that will do it for this one. If there's anything to report, I will let you know. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.